Hi, the purpose of this video is to show you how to download a report when you don't have Excel. So you want to go to the report that you wish to download, click on Download, go to More Options, click on Report Data, tab delimited, click on Download Now, click on the report. It's going to come up in your Notepad. Select All. Go to your Google Doc. Create a new Google Doc and do Control V and it's going to paste it in there. Okay, short and sweet. Good luck with everything and have a great day.